So guys, nasaksihan na po natin ang pick up ng strawberry farm here in the Mom Only. Actually, nasa 23 real lang ang bawat baso na yun. At saka napaka-amazing kasi first time ko mag-pick ng strawberry na fresh talaga. Alam nyo ba na talagang napaka-amazing kasi dito sa Dammam, Saudi Arabia, may strawberry farm talaga dito. And of course, this is a resort actually. At ito po yung strawberry farm sa likod ko po. So, halina kayo dito guys. So guys, dito naman ay ang talagang makikita mo yung mga tomato, iba't ibang uri ng tomato, you know, the fresh tomato. Exactly. And of course, nakikita nyo, napaka-amazing. Yun nga lang talagang malilis, parang cherry tomato lang siya. Hindi yung talagang malaking tomato na inaano. At saka meron din pipino dun sa other side. So binilang ko lang to kasi since na I don't like too much tomato. So, ay tayong tomato. So, let's go din guys. So guys, alam nyo ba yung tomato lang doon binidyo namin ni Abod is the price of 15 reals. Dito din guys, so meron din dito mga tomato. Meron din mga fresh. Ditong area na to. See, napakaganda. May flowers din. My friend, how much this one? 3 real? Oh. Seeing the flower, 3 real. This one by kilo or what? Oh, perfect. Amazing. May mga kababayan din dito actually. How about this corn? Ha? 10 reals? Diba amazing? Meron din dito. Oh. Perfect. So Abod, it's good. The fresh here. Very nice. Diba amazing? Yun nga lang, napakamahal din ng entrance. So far, nag-enjoy ako kasi sa pagpipick up ng strawberry fresh. Ikutin natin dito kasi para hindi masayang ang ating entrance fee. Diba? May swimming pool din na area doon. Ikutin lang natin ito ng ikutin. Actually, it's good for the, you know, for family bonding, weekends bonding for family. There's a lot of nationality, of course. Diba? Amazing. May mga bike-bike ko dyan. Amazing. Diba? Perfect. Oh, diba? How much is one, my friend, that one? 40-30 minutes. Ah, okay. Oh, may bike to 40 reals for 30 minutes. Diba? This is a Paradise Cafe. The name of this farm I will put in the comment section so that you know where it is located. Diba? Amazing. Diba? Talagang perfect. So ngayon iniikot namin ni Abud. Abud, how are you?
I am fine.
He's fine. And this is the weekend vibes bonding actually. See? I think in Al-Hasa there is also, right? Strawberry farm or dates only? Strawberry. Okay, perfect. May malaking bahay din dito. Diba? Ikutin namin ng ikutin. May mga dates din siya actually. Ang banda doon, meron doon na swimming pool. Diba? Perfect. First time. And happy, just I tell you every day, just enjoy life as always, diba? Yun ang sabi ko sa aking vlog, enjoy life as always because the life is too short. So, you must value your life. O, diba? May mga ano din sila sa bread. O, diba? Amazing. O, perfect. May mais din doon. Ayun yung pinakaano ng bread nila. Say hi. Oh, perfect. That's all for today. Diba? Amazing.